Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on MEXC Global Exchange. For that, open the MEXC Global Exchange on your device. When you complete the process of logged in, then you will see the wallet option in the right side of the down below. Click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you will see the deposit option here. Click on deposit. When you click on deposit, select the USDT. When you select the USDT, select network here, ERC20. When you select the network, then the tap to generate address option will appear in your screen. Click on tap to generate address. When you click on it, your address will be shown at your screen and the QR code also shown. Simply copy the address from here and paste it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.